Hello, my name is Allison Root, Director of Learning and Organizational Development at the firm. Today I'm going to walk you through the goal setting process in Halogen, our new performance management system. In addition to this video, we also have a quick reference guide on the ampersand to help guide you through this process. And we will be holding live training sessions the week of May 16th. Please check the ampersand for specific dates, times, and locations. On May 13th, you received an email from Human Resources stating that you had a task to complete within the system. By clicking on the link in the email, you will be directed to your Halogen homepage. The Halogen homepage is accessible via single sign-on and can be found via the ampersand. Simply click on this link to access your Halogen homepage. Once in Halogen, you will notice a legend at the bottom of the page. Please keep this in mind to refer to the various icons in the legend that will help you identify what your task is at the various steps in the process. For the purposes of this training, we're using a fake Halogen employee to be able to demonstrate the steps of the process for you. When you're in your homepage, you will see under the taskbar that you have an action item to write your goals. Simply click on the link to write your goals. The goal setting form will then appear. For the purposes of this training, we are walking you through the client services form. The enterprise form is exactly like this form, with the exception of the job-specific goals, as enterprise does not have job-specific goals. Otherwise, the form is exactly the same. You will then enter your goals into the form. Please read all of the instructions. As mentioned, client services staff have a section called job-specific goals. These will be pre-populated under this section and have been determined based on their alignment with the 4 cornerstones and your level within the firm. Under the job-specific goal section, you will enter individual goals. All employees are required to write at least 2 individual goals. Please read the directions for the section, and then you will enter a goal into the title box. Below the box, you will enter a description of the goal and elaborate on what you plan to accomplish. You will then enter a due date by selecting the calendar. You'll enter your action plan and how the goal will be measured. You will notice a waiting box on the form. Your performance coach will be responsible for entering the appropriate weighting during the next step of this process, so you do not need to enter anything in that box. To continue to add new goals, simply click on the Add New Goal link, and additional text boxes will pop up. And continue through the process of adding in your goals. You will use the blue link icon to the left of the description box to link your individual goals to one of the Bonadeo 4 cornerstones. You will select one of the cornerstones and click on the link button. Be sure to periodically save your work as you go by clicking the Save button at the top of the form. When you have entered all data into the form, click on the Submit button at the top. A spell checker will pop up, as well as a language checker. Simply click OK. And you will notice that a green check mark appears in the upper right-hand corner of the form after you click on Submit. This green box will indicate that you have completed the form. Click on the X above this to close and exit the form. You will then see, based on the legend on your homepage, that your Write Your Goals task has been completed, and the green check mark has been displayed next to it. This is the last step in your goal setting process. It has now been sent to your performance coach for review, and they will discuss and finalize goals with you during your one-on-one meeting. We hope that you have found this tutorial to be helpful. Please feel free to reach out to Human Resources with any questions or concerns, as we're happy to navigate with you through this process. Thank you.